Just last week, Anna de Armas bought a pair of Tom Ford glasses for me. You never know who you're gonna meet or what you're gonna do. That's something that my job offers. My name is Adam. I study fashion at London College of Fashion. I'm a style advisor at Harvey Nichols, and I graduated from Lille in 2024. Aspect where Lille helped me was presentations. In fashion we have a lot of events, so they taught me how to be more eloquent in my speech. It made me evolve creatively, and I think that's the #1 way that Lille helped me. I think one of the teachers that helped me a lot was Erwan Lerojo, who's an incredible teacher. So I have ADHD, so my ideas all come in all at once and I can't structure them properly. And he really helped me sort of tackle of that and sort of get my brain to get through point one by one, and that's just a skill that helped me tremendously through last year and this year again. Lille offered me actually one work placement at Hermes for a week. That experience just made me understand the level of high luxury fashion houses, and it gave me the ability to understand the industry that I was heading to a whole lot more, which is just invaluable.